Yeah, I know. You're going home early today, huh?
Gotta take care of his fish.
We're ready to text. I don't know if he's coming or not, but we'll see. I invited my daughter, and I heard her alarm going off over and over and over. I'm like, oh, she's not going. Yep, you haven't been over here at all, right?
No. We could always make him do the 9 mile.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be great. No, this is just fun one.
We'll pretty much be back to our cars when the sun is rising. Unless we stop at the bench.
Wait for the bear again?
Yeah.
Little bear.
Did I rub my nose in today? Show him.
Did you bring food?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. He's doing good.
Have beef jerky.
Perfect.
Everything. Chicken.
With stinky.
So what, you decided to come because you can't let Jermaine show you up, or what?
No one shows me up. I have to prove this. You got it wrong. You never gonna fucking do. You said, fuck, you're not going.
One's done, man.
Well, they don't ever ask me to come on these again. No, I like hiking. So. Said next one he's gonna take me is that 8 mile one. Which one was it? Yeah, 8 mile. You said no.
To the bell?
Yeah, the bell.
Yeah.
He told you it was only 8 miles? Don't believe him. He told me it was 8 miles the day before. When we got there, he told me it was 9 miles. When we finished, it was 10 miles.
You can't count, bro.
Chicken math.
Yeah. I'm not good at it.
Wow. Keith all snapped off.
Probably good.
Probably.
It did break.
Yeah, with the fucking flashlight, what do you see the bear and see right in front of me, dude?
That's alright.
You don't want to see things sometimes.
It's alright. There you go. I didn't know one.
We got the headlamp. No, I haven't flashlight. I've seen the headlamp.
Oh.
It cost us $30.
Really? Don't leave that on because it'll burn it.
Yeah, burn. Yeah. They literally had a recall for that shit. Everyone that bought one, they sent them an email saying, don't leave it on surfaces.
Yeah.
It's on fire.
That's no joke, man. You should be sleeping in there.
I'm done.
No way.
There's a way in, there's a way.
Did Andrew get a permit for Whitney?
I think so. He hasn't said anything about dates. My neighbor got one too.
For Whitney?
Yeah. His is like early September.
Well, he'll be done with that in like 4 hours.
Well, he says he has it for 5, and he goes, "You're more than welcome to come." I go, "I'm slow." He goes, "So are other people." But he'll just go.
Yeah, as long as you have the permit on you,
Yeah.
you don't have to be with your group.
You don't what?
You don't have to be with everyone.
Oh, okay. So, I don't know what Andrew's plan is, but I was doing some investigating, and you can make a spontaneous trip up there. You just start going to the site, and there's a lot of cancellations.
Oh yeah.
You just don't get it early. I'm like, really? Okay.
A lot of people like the idea of Whitney, but when it actually comes to the date, they won't do it.
Yeah. When it comes down to showtime, we'll go up this one. Oh yeah. Yeah,
That's like Half Dome. They got the permit for Half Dome, and oh, you got to put $100 in for the room to make sure you're committed, non-refundable. I was putting it off because I didn't know.
yeah.
Finally said, fuck it, dude.
How long is that hike?
We're gonna make it in 2 days. So we'll go up one day, stay in a hotel, wake up early the next day, go in early so we could hike to the base of Half Dome, camp out, and then go up the face first thing in the morning. That way we don't have to deal with the crowd.
So you're just gonna overnight right there.
Yeah.
That's cool. I do think I want to do some more of those quick overnighters.
Yeah, as soon as it warms up.
Even if, it's just local. Go to Cucamonga or the Bell or whatever.
Yeah.
I was watching one. You know how your algorithm gets crazy.
Yeah.
This guy went, he was by Gorgonio, went up some fucking wash area, came across the tops, like the ridge line,
Yeah.
over class 3 boulders.
Oh jeez.
And he has his camera on,
Yeah.
and you see him looking around. Fuck that, it gave me fucking vertigo. Dude, I was like, I can't watch this because it looks like he's gonna fucking fall. I'll send it to you. I was like, holy shit. Fuck that.
Did you ever watch the Matt Hamill documentary about the rock climbing?
Uh-uh.
I think it's called Solo. He climbed one of the highest vertical walls. So like he does all the solo shit. And he made his friends film it, his friend and the girlfriend are like, yeah, we might be filming our friend dying.
Oh, there's free solo.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was his name?
Matt Hamill, I think.
No.
It's not?
Honnold.
Honnold.
Alex Honnold.
Maybe, yeah, okay.
Yeah, I did watch that.
That shit gave me vertigo.
Well, that wasn't as bad because he did it like 100 times with ropes. So he knew his path, right?
Still one slip.
Dude, I'll be sending you this video. This one will fuck with you. It was like, oh, dude. Oh, I shared. Maybe I put it in the group. Well, he's the guy that, I don't know if I put it in the group, but going up Ice House Saddle, like in the middle of the cabins,
Yeah.
he turned right and went up to Ontario Peak.
Oh, jeez.
And I was like, oh, it looked way doable. Oh, holy shit. Alright. I'll find that today, dude. What's cool is, I mean, it's like a 20-mile hike. I think it gets it all in like a 20-minute video,
Yeah.
which is cool. Oh, holy moly, dude. You got problems. I'm not following that one.
I thought it was gonna be colder, dude. I put on too many layers. Oh shit. Oh shit, real shit.
Yeah, that's real shit now. So you've seen Andrew and Jerry this week at all?
I'll probably see it Monday.
Alright, so when they went up to Ice House last weekend, was that really a picture of a bunch of naked dudes?
Did you see a bunch of naked? I just saw the one dude that was shirtless in the snow.
There were several.
Was there?
I was like, what the fuck is that? Seriously. I was like, when I talked to Ian, he goes, I cannot unsee that picture.
Maybe I didn't see that picture. Maybe they just personally sent it to you.
No, dude, they put it in the group. You're crazy.
Because I don't remember seeing that. I just remember seeing the guy with the Fu Manchu.
What are you doing, Slim? Fucking donkey. Fucking, you check out my ass first thing in the morning.
He's taking pictures of you?
Yeah.
I don't want you to tell people like it didn't happen. I'm like, I got proof.
You can't prove that's me, fucker.
Who's got a stomach like that?
I think you're wanting to find some Brokeback Mountain shit.
Dude, it's fucking awkward. Everybody's excited about their day and then they go do that.
I swear I didn't see nothing like that.
How many dudes do you see in that picture?
Oh shit, okay. Okay.
There's 4 dudes there.
It's not,
Two. Well, I don't know what the fuck that is.
There's
I
2
see-
sitting on a
you're
log.
looking, dude, I just
One
saw,
standing, another one standing.
dude, I just looked
Oh,
at
I
a
see
blurry
that.
picture. I wasn't looking at what they were.
I was like, this is the other part. I was like, what are you guys doing up there? It's fucking snow everywhere and you guys little like skin huddle.
They were probably doing that polar bear plunge or whatever.
I'm so glad we're not with them that day. Yeah.
Yeah, there's been some horses up here.
I think that's rattlesnake poop. I'll take them home.
They're edible. Go ahead.
So what's the hardest hike you've been on, Luis?
Probably a long time ago when I would do No, Rubidoux, that's probably it.
Shut up.
Like this.
Told you.
Actually, no, I lied. So when I went to Yosemite, we went to this one place, I don't know what the fuck it was. That shit was pretty killer.
Oh, he went this year, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mount
I don't know
Rubidoux.
what that trail or what the hell it was called, but that shit was pretty bad.
Damn, the frogs are out
This
today.
might have been him in that picture. I don't know. But when you see those guys, make sure you say something to them.
Well, I just flipped through the pictures quick. I wasn't like scanning them like you. Jeez.
Wow. Alright, so you don't care about anybody.
We were just talking about Mount Rubidoux too.
I used to run Mount Rubidoux when I was like 50 pounds lighter.
Car business.
So did your mom watch all the videos?
I'm not sure. She didn't comment on all of them.
She didn't oh.
Yeah. Tell me about the, you guys were talking about a cat or something.
You must have told a few people, like that one of the videos got 25 views. I didn't tell no one. Well, I told a few people.
Well, you get any type of hiking algorithm, you're gonna get it. Well, my neighbor's done the bell like 5 times this week.
What the crap?
Yeah. Yeah.
Every hill's flat.
That's it.
Someday I'll hopefully get there.
That's pretty strong. What did your wife say about you getting up at 3:30?
You're fucking crazy. Well, like I asked you if not, he'll never let me live it down. He'll never let me hear the end of it. And my wife won't come out this end of the fucking night. She's scared of everything. Any little noise.
Oh, really?
Keep the dinosaur. I sent her a video of the little walk real quick and she was like, I think I heard a bird.
Oh my god.
No, she likes hiking too, but not this early.
Yeah.
She won't do this.
This is like the best time, man.
Be able to see the sunrise and get done before everyone's up.
Yep. Like what time were we done last week?
I think like 9 o'clock.
Yeah, they got 4:30 we're done.
For 10 miles, that ain't bad.
Nope.
You started at 4 and ended at 9?
No, met at my house at 4:30.
Oh.
So we started 4:45. Sat up top for maybe 5 minutes. Came back.
Those hikes used to take me 12 hours.
What hike?
The hike to the bell, that would have normally taken me 12 hours
Yeah,
when I first started.
I have a picture of Ian. When you know, because I just took a picture back looking west.
Yeah.
He was coming around the corner and I zoomed in on it. He's like, he didn't sleep.
He had an hour of sleep. He didn't even get an hour
He didn't
sleep.
close his eyes.
Yeah. And he wasn't going to sleep all day either.
I know. I called him. How you holding up? He goes, I'm good. Oh, okay. I called him like at 4 o'clock or something. I don't know how he does that.
No, that's crazy.
He did night shift. He did high patrol. Did night shift. And then changed clothes, came straight to. That was crazy.
Johnny's like, when did you get off? He's like, an hour ago.
He felt bad for the week prior. Because he slept through it. He told him to meet me at my house. So I just turned on the truck and sat there and I fell asleep. Woke up at 5:15. Oh, all right. Get some rest. Talk to you later. Went back to bed. It happens from time to time.
Yeah.
It's just the first time because you get one and done.
I'm always interested to see who keeps hiking.
Yeah, a lot of people do that one and out. I was telling Luis, it's not even my group. Yeah, they let me in. So,
You are the group now. You've been inducted. Everyone that has a sweatshirt is part of the group.
yeah. That's why I told my mom, anybody in yellow is part of the core group.
I gotta order more sweatshirts. This is why we hike in the dark, so you don't see this incline. This is the worst part. After this, it's easy.
Easy part.
It's all flat anyways.
Yep. Oh, really flat.
I'm trying to think of some stars, yeah.
Johnny's making you work after this?
Yeah, fucking asshole, huh?
I'm gonna take you on a hike and then make you work.
He's gonna make me move the whole fucking lot by myself. I fucking, what was it, like 4 in the morning? You sent that fucking email that and then you keep me jump started.
Yeah, I got good.
I was like, God damn it.
That's funny. For the day.
The lady you have in the service department is a little firecracker.
Which one?
The one that opens it up?
Oh, Frida?
Yeah.
Yeah, older lady?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So I took my truck in, I think 2 weeks ago. She's all yelling at her. I'm by myself. You gotta do this. You gotta do that. Oh, hey, how you doing? I'll be right with you, sir. You gotta do this. You gotta do that.
Never let me know you needed me.
It's all right. I was just watching her yell at all the dudes.
She's a pit bull.
They're like, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I was just trying to see what they were trying to upcharge me. Oh, you need this then, you need this then. It's alright. At least you know they're trying to upsell. They don't know who I am. You doing all right?
God told me that it's uphill going there and uphill going back. I was like, how the fuck does that make sense?
What did you do? Bring that flashlight to smack the bear or what?
Yeah, I got Johnny with me. I don't know, he was gonna give me a fucking flashlight that's as bright as my phone light, dude. I would look for mine.
We just don't want the light pollution. Damn, frogs out everywhere. I didn't think it rained. Downhill the rest of the way. Just trying to get your hopes up, I'm lying. We have to make it to the top of Claremont first. Johnny's trying to break some records here.
We gotta go to work. Have a day today.
If you see a requesting pay com for today, just know it's an emergency.
Yep, figured.
I want to know, I've never done Marshall Canyon. Isn't it like,
What's that guy's name? Did he that one up this?
yeah, Sergio, that crawled,
Called it?
I guess, yeah. Freaking crazy.
All the way to the top. And daylight, it's a fall.
We took him on this hike. He hadn't been on a hike. We showed him that. Next weekend he tries to go up it. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing?
I think he's like really sore.
Yeah, I'm never doing that again. No one said you should.
I mean, I appreciate his ambitiousness, you know?
I haven't seen him.
Dude, it's no joke. That hill is like no joke. That's more than 1,000 per mile right there. That's like 1,500 per mile.
Oh yeah, that first hike was easy. I'm gonna try something harder. No, dude, don't.
We haven't seen him since. I don't know, maybe he's hiked with you guys.
No, I haven't seen. I mean, I think I seen him at one meeting.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Still recovering from the hike.
Probably.
Yeah. So like the first, like my first real kind of hike, I took Rogers towards the bell by my house, and we made just a little bit past halfway, and turned around, and we were sore the next day. It was like, oh my goodness. I mean, we didn't mark the mileage or anything, but I'm gonna guess it was maybe 5 miles. Shit. Yeah. And then I met Mike and we started talking about it, and I'm like, oh, I'm not very good.
Johnny was scared of a 4-mile hike.
No correlation to distance and water.
I think our second hike was this, but we call it the figure 8 because you do the Claremont with it. He's like, what's the quickest you've done it in? He's like, I don't know, like 3 hours and maybe and a half. We're gonna beat it, motherfucker. This guy got us done in like less than 3 hours, dude.
Shit.
I'm like, dude, I thought you didn't, you couldn't hike. Oh.
Just trying to figure it out, man.
Then it became like, if it wasn't over 9 miles, Johnny didn't want to do it.
It's too easy.
What's the next peak, Mike? What are we doing next?
That part is addictive.
Oh, now we gotta have coffee at all the peaks, Mike.
Yeah, that's when we started investing. Started spending a lot of money.
Guess what, Mike? I went to REI today.
Again. Oh, speaking of REI, it's 20% sale.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
Well, fortunately, it's just one item.
Oh. Still dangerous. I might buy an expensive thing.
I just turn away at little things, man. Okay, but this.
I might go get some trail runners.
Yeah. Good?
Yep.
Good.
How you doing?
Good.
It is a little more chilly.
It is.
So we're getting towards the top.
Definitely drop.
2 more miles.
That's it?
Not till we're back. 2 more miles till we're at our next spot. I think the top is about a half mile. Claremont won't even be open by the time we get up there.
Yeah. I didn't even look at that sunlight there.
Yeah. I guess we're doing Gorgonio soon.
When?
I don't know, they want to start hitting a few times for Half Dome.
Gotcha. There's still a lot of snow.
I know. But Half Dome's not till the end of July.
Oh, gosh, okay. So Yosemite's end of July, right?
Yeah, end of July.
That's over, not down again.
Yeah, we can't leave Dan though by himself. He'll get lost.
Technology. That's right.
There's Fairmont Loop right there. Have you done Claremont Loop before?
Nope.
It's a little 5 miler. But it doesn't open until 6. You have to pay for parking.
For here?
Yeah.
Oh, so you drive up here or what?
No, we always park right down there for free.
Oh.
And then this is the figure eight, so we would go up that, follow this, go down Claremont, come back up right here, and then go down Cobalt. It's like 9.3.
I don't know if you go and look at where you went on a map after, but it's kind of cool to see all the trails. You just go to
Yeah.
how far all this stuff goes.
We'll spend $200 on shoes, but we won't spend $6 for parking.
You gotta be fucked up on that.
Well, there's two things, man. It starts later. And you got pay. Here's a hammer and hit your thumb. No.
This is where we saw the bear knocking over the trash can. Oh shit, yeah. I finally got smart with the trash.
fucking that over.
No.
Circle that we're, opposite from.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he likes doing with his kids, so.
Oh, those people down there still asleep? We're dumb up here.
Not too many people.
But now you're gonna be done with the hike, get your exercise in, and still the rest of your day to go work for Johnny.
So,
I don't know which one's the bad part.
so see that the cutout here?
Yeah.
That was that bulldoze part that
Oh,
keeps
shit.
going up.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
Now you kind of get perspective.
Yeah.
That boy was committed.
He went all the way up?
Yeah, he on his hands and knees.
Yeah, and if you look from the freeway or something, you look at it, it just goes like that, man.
Oh, shit.
It's like, I mean, this is maybe, what do you think, Mike? Half or 2/3 of it?
Yeah,
That you can kind of see.
probably 2/3. But Johnny just was just talking, and the dude took him serious, and the next weekend he went up it
Strong. You gotta appreciate it.
That's funny.
for a
But
second
what's
hike.
messed up is he still hasn't recovered from the hike. He hasn't been back. Oh, ready?
Yeah,
Let's watch it.
I don't think we've ever headed down while it was still dark.
I know, right? We do this more in the winter, huh?
Yeah, because it's easier. Well, we don't have to worry about snow. We should take him on Frankish Peak.
That'll be a good one.
I haven't done that in a minute.
We should just go over it and connect it to Sunfire. Just do a loop.
Oh shit, yeah.
It's actually fun.
Is that the one Ian lost his glasses on?
Yeah. He lost his glasses on the ridge line coming down. They won't go through the canopy of bushes. That was dumb. Go around that. No crawling.